Hi people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita Prashant and I am founder of this organic food store which is USDA certified, and we regularly get questions on what are the products that we can choose while introducing solids to our babies. So this is a simple video where you can understand what our brand is at first, to get a quick knowledge on the brand and what we actually do, how we do it, and then what are the products you can choose from our store. 7 years before, when my child had still not completed her first year, in April 2014 this started, and this was a small venture we started at home, and eventually my friends recommended me to go online and reach out to more people, because we saw that love coming in, that trust which was there. Everybody who understood how dangerous was chemical filled, sugar filled food for their child, they started approaching us, and they were proudly recommending it to their friends as well. And yeah, all the ingredients are locally sourced, and local is always the best. You don't have to buy expensive ingredients from other countries to feed your child. You need something that is local, natural, for a healthy upbringing. We have all seen that diabetes, obesity has been an issue with our generation and the past generation, because we started leaving our roots. Now it is time to come back to roots and understand and start using natural and local foods for ourselves. And that's the whole motto of this brand, Tots and Moms Foods. And here we follow all WHO recommendations, like no sugar or no salt for baby food, and for foods for toddlers we use jaggery, and we do not even use sugar there, no white sugar used here. And even cookies which are made of millets and jaggery. And all our baby foods are well researched, traditional and certified products, and each and every ingredient is well tested and organic, totally. So while introducing solids initial days, I would recommend that you give fruit or vegetable puree. Please go to totsandmoms.com. It is a blog where you can find ingredient based recipes, you can find age based recipes. Just check the recipe index, you'll be very happy, I would assure you, to find puree, porridges, pancakes, cakes, and all healthy food that you can make easily at home for babies and kids. I mean, it will be a savior for you for the long run until your child is going to school. Snack ideas are also there. Okay, coming back to this, and yeah, so initially fruit and vegetable puree for a day or 2 or 3, so that your baby's stomach or digestive system is getting adjusted to it. And then first food that I would recommend is sprouted ragi powder. Ragi, nachni or finger millet is getting so famous worldwide that anybody can go short of words of telling the benefits of this highly humble ingredient. Now we use it as roti, we use it as mudde or ragi ball in South India, and we consider it as highly nutritious for us. But for babies, we go a step ahead, we sprout it. Now sprouting process makes the absorbency easy, the nutrition bioavailability increases. Ragi is rich in iron, calcium, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fiber as well. It helps keep the gut healthy. So that's why it is recommended. And in South India, especially in Karnataka, first food would be ragi for baby. Any home makes it, okay? And the next thing I'm recommending, all these foods that are being recommended for a 6-month-old are of single ingredient, so that it is easy to digest. If there is any allergy, you can check, which is hardly going to be there, but it is good to start with single ingredients when you are following traditional method. And Kerala banana powder is made of raw Nendra banana, which is very healthy. It is rich in protein, potassium, phosphorus, and carbohydrates as well. And this is easily digestible. Just like in Karnataka, we recommend ragi. In Kerala, this is the first food which is recommended. It is made by removing the skin of the raw banana, making chips, thin chips, drying it and powdering it. It is very soft powder, just like maida it would be, and when you make it into a porridge, it will be very creamy and nice. Babies love the texture, and highly recommend it. This is one of the best seller on our store. Third product is red rice cereal. This is again made with an amazing ingredient, which is Kerala matta rice, and this parboiled rice is considered to be the healthiest rice in the world. And I mean, Kerala people, Bangalore people use it a lot, and they are considered to be the healthiest people in South India. The ingredient is rich in fiber, it is rich in potassium as well, and healthy yeah, I mentioned fiber already. It is rich in calcium as well, and complex carbohydrates are there in it, and it is a great memory booster. It acts as a good memory booster, helps in weight gain as well. And for babies, I would recommend cooking this 2 minutes more than sprouted ragi powder and Kerala banana powder, because this is Kerala matta rice. We have already washed, then dried, and then roasted and powdered it. But still, to make it easily digestible, you can take a step ahead and cook it a minute or more. And this red rice cereal again, I mean, all these products can be found on shop.totsandmoms.com, our website, and our products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, Meesho, and many other big platforms. All our products are chemical free and preservative free, and the first question comes, how is it preservative free? Chili powder or any atta, when you make at home, you preserve and use it for 6 months to 8 months, and even more. I would say how our mother and our grandmother have been using it. And we use triple layered foil, which will preserve the nutrition and also ensure that it is staying well for a longer time. The shelf life is increased, and all these methods are certified. The process is checked with all necessary certification and testing. Our products are well researched and mostly traditional. Most of the parents in India love to buy our products because they find it close to their kitchen, something which is made as equal as made at kitchen, without any chemical, as good as homemade, I would say. And yeah, many who are abroad as well buy in our products, because though they are staying in other country, they want to ensure that their food is given to their child. So I'm highly happy. I acknowledge that people understand the importance. We want a healthy next generation, then that is the step that is much needed. So please check our store, and in Bangalore on Sarjapur road we are available on many at many outlets. Our products are available, and we are trying to make it available across the country. We are reaching out to so many wholesalers and retailers. They are in fact actually calling us and telling that we want to sell our products, and we are so happy that they reach to us. When customers go and ask it in their store, then is when they will also know, right? So I'm glad, I'm happy, I'm proud that this brand is reaching so many hearts and so many houses. So many kids are using our products. My whole team is very happy and proud about this. Thank you so much. Please do check. If you still have questions about products, reach out to our customer support. Varsha will be more than happy to answer your queries, and leave your comment below as well. We will be happy to answer anywhere. We are highly active in social media, and we believe in building a good customer support. We take care of your queries very well. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.